Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I've done my version of batch cooking where I cook a load of meals all at once to save electricity. I've also saved money because I've used reduced food. I had 2 trays of these that I've used, chicken mealy fillets that were $1.25 and some lamb shoulder chops. They were reduced by 30%, so they were just under £5, and some sweet corn as well, they were 30% off, and I also had a bag of stir-fried veggies which were 30% off. The only thing I've paid full price for was a jar of sweet and sour sauce for £1 in Aldi. So what did I cook today? I cooked some minty lamb chops. There was 3 in the packet. I've just cooked them as they were. I cut up the sweet corn. There was 2 pieces and I've cut them in half and threw a couple of knobs of butter on and cooked them in the oven at the same time. I've done the obligatory baked potatoes where I fold up a foil tray to squish them in, and that'll go with the lamb chops and the sweet corn for tonight's tea. I've also cooked some chicken satays using the reduced price chicken fillets with a homemade satay sauce. I'll probably put a link at the end of this video so you can click on it and look at the recipe. I made me some curried chicken drumsticks. As you can see, there's only 2 there because he's just ran off with the rest of them. For tonight's tea, we've got a bag of salad there, so he's having it with some salad as we speak. And this is some sweet and sour chicken. Again, another tray of those reduced price mini fillets. I used a bag of stir-fried veg from Aldi, which was reduced by 30% first. Cut up the chicken pieces and threw the jar of sweet and sour sauce over. So lots and lots to eat. We do tend to eat it cold with a load of salad or with a baked potato, and it saves me cooking for about 3 days, and I've only used the oven once. A, because it will save me money on the electricity bill, and B, it will save me heating the house up because it's rather warm at the moment in the UK. We're in a little bit of a heat wave. So yeah, I'm making the most of filling the oven. So everything was squished in, some on the shelf and some on the bottom of the oven, and I only use the little oven at the top here. I don't use the full oven, so again it uses less electricity and it cooks things quicker. Have you had a go at this? It doesn't matter what all different dishes you put in, the flavours don't tend to merge, they don't end up tasting weird. They're pretty much fine as far as we're concerned. So tonight I'm having the lamb, sweet corn and baked potatoes. My son's already had the drumsticks and some salad, and tomorrow he'll have some satays and finish his drumsticks off, and I'll start ploughing into the sweet and sour chicken. So it's all rather yummy and at an affordable price as well. Bye for now, and if you could be so kind, could you like and leave a comment, because it helps with the YouTube algorithm, because my viewing numbers are still low. Been doing this for 18 months now. I've got over 600 videos. There's well over 100 of £1 or less meals in a playlist if you want to have a little look. Simple basic meals, including the chicken satays. So bye for now.